Alright, today in class we talked about scientific and standard notation. On this first one, they're asking you to go from scientific to write it in standard notation. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your decimal, which is 6.1, and then you're going to look at your exponent for your 10, which is -9. So you're going to take your decimal, and since it's negative, you're going to move to the left 9 times. Then you're going to go through and you're going to fill in all the empty spaces with zeros. Then you need to completely rewrite your number with your decimal in the correct spot. And then put in all your zeros. And then your numbers. The second one is asking you to take a number that's in standard form and write it in scientific notation. If you remember from class, the most important rule for scientific notation is you have to move the decimal until you find a number between 1 and 10. So you would stop right there. So now your decimal becomes 3.4402. Then you're going to say times 10, and then you're going to count how many times you moved it to the 7th power. This last one, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to multiply your decimals. So 3 times 5.7. So that's 21. That's 17. So you have 17.1. Then you're going to multiply your powers of 10. Remember, when you are multiplying things with exponents, you add the exponents together. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Then you need to look. 17.1 is not between 1 and 10. So you actually need to move your decimal one more time. And then I'm adding a loop to this, so I'm going to change my exponent to a 9. So this is scientific. The directions also state that you need to write it in standard form as well. So you're going to take your decimal. Since it is positive 9, think about a number line. You're going to go to the right 9 times. You're going to replace with all your zeros. Then you need to go through and rewrite your number. So both of these would give you the correct answer.